Students, our chapter is sound. Propagation of sound through a medium. See, sound always requires a material medium for the propagation of sound. See, there are different mediums are there. Solids, liquids and gases. And one more thing, sound cannot travel through vacuum, but it can travel through air. How sound travels in a medium? So, sound needs some vibration of molecules to travel. See, the different states of matter, solids, liquids and gases. All these have molecules present in them. So, which allows the sound to travel easily. For example, in solids, the molecules are tightly packed. So the sound can travel fast when compared to the liquids and gases. See, in your childhood, in village side, okay, if you move around, young children keep their ears on the rails and predict the arrival of the train. So the rumbling sound indicates the arrival of train. If a train is very far away from us, we cannot hear its sound through the air. But by putting our ear to the railway line, we can hear the sound of the coming train even it is quite far away. So it is because sound waves travel very fast in solids. So speed in steel is around 5100 meter per second. So we can conclude sound travels 15 times faster in steel than in air. See, in liquids, the molecules are slightly loosely packed. So it takes a little time for sound to travel in water or through any liquid when compared to solids. Gases are completely loosely packed. So sound takes most time in traveling through the air. Speed of a sound. Speed of sound depends on elasticity and density of the medium through which it travels. In case of air, it also depends on the temperature of air. The speed of sound through air is 344 meter per second. The speed of sound through water is about 1480 meter per second. So we can conclude speed of sound is always higher in solid when compared to liquids and gases. So speed of sound in solid is greater than liquid, greater than gases. Sound travels 16 times faster in metals and 4 times faster in water than in air. See, the fact sound waves requires a material medium which was discovered by Otto von Guericke in 1654. See, we all heard about supersonic. Supersonic means faster than the speed of sound. The speed of sound, I already said, 344 meter per second. How do astronauts communicate in space? See, not only outer space, in moon also, there will be no air or atmosphere. So sound cannot be heard directly on the surface of moon because there is no air on the moon or in outer space to carry the sound waves. So it is all due to the vacuum. So astronauts who land on moon or else on outer space are not able to talk directly to one another. So they talk through wireless sets using radio waves because radio waves can travel even through vacuum. Speed of light versus sound. The speed of sound in air is about 344 meter per second. The speed of light in air is about 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Speed of light is faster than air. See, to understand this, we already know lightning and thunder both arrive at the same time. But we can see the flash of lightning before we hear the sound of thunder. even though both occur at the same time, because the speed of light is always faster than the speed of sound. How do we hear sound? Sound enters the ear through the ear canal. It makes the eardrum to vibrate. So, the eardrum sends the vibration to the inner ear. From there, the signals go to the brain and then we hear the sound. Our ear consists of 3 compartments, namely outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. See, the part of ear which we see outside the head, that is called as outer ear. It consists of a broad funnel, that is called as pinna, which is about 2 to 3 centimeters long passage, that is called ear canal. At the end of ear canal, a thin elastic and circular membrane is present, that is called an ear drum. This eardrum is also called as tympanum. The sound waves are collected by the pinna of outer ear. These sound waves pass through the ear canal and falls on the eardrum. And then the eardrum starts vibrating back and forth. This eardrum then sends vibrations to the middle ear and then to the inner ear. From there, the signal goes to the brain. That is how we hear. Answer the following questions. What is the speed of sound through air and water? In which medium sound propagates the maximum and why? Does light travel faster than sound in air? How do astronauts communicate with one another on moon or in outer space? Do the following activity and record your observation. Refer chapter 13, Sound, activity 13.7 in page number 161, activity 13.8 and 13.9 in page number 162.